I'm Steve from This Week with Cars, and today I just want to do a quick tip. Installing a ladder on your Land Rover Discovery 2. I think a Land Rover Discovery 1 will be the same exact procedure. This truck has not had a ladder fitted to it before, so there are no holes down here and there's no holes up there, so I'm going to have to drill the holes. I'm going to put in threaded inserts and then we'll secure the ladder. The ladder is a great little addition to your truck. It allows you to get up to your roof. But let's face it, I think most people put the ladder on the back because it just plain looks cool. So let's get started. The first trick to installing the ladder is sliding the top of it over the door. There's a little channel up here, and you need to slide that on in order to get this in there. If you try to just clip it on the bottom and then get it over the top, it's not going to work. You have to slide it. Just be careful that you're not going to damage your paint up here. Get the ladder centered to where you want it. Then stand back and look at your ladder. Make sure that it looks the way that it should. I'm going to position the top holes first. Get the ladder where you want it to be. Mark your hole where you want it to go into the door, and then drill a hole in both spots where your ladder is going to mount. Then what I've seen a lot of people do is use self-tapping screws or bolts going through here. Using a bolt puts a big bolt head up on the top. And of course, self-tapping screws is kind of the lazy way to do it. What I'm going to do instead is put threaded inserts into the door. These work like a little rivet, but they have a threaded hole in it that you can screw a screw into. And then once you have drilled a hole, you put them into your door or your piece of sheet metal, and then you use a rib nut setter. It looks a lot like a rivet gun, and it ends up squeezing the back of it so that it'll hold it up against the metal. So I'll get these holes drilled, get these rib nuts in place, and then we'll move on to the bottom. I'll show you how the rib nuts work on these bottom holes. First, make a mark where you're going to drill your holes. And then because of the rib nut setter, I'll have to move the ladder out of the way until I have those installed. And I'll drill my 2 holes where I have those marks. Now I have my rib nut. I'm going to install that on the rib nut setter. Put it into the hole. Squeeze the setter. And then if I unscrew this, you'll see that now I have a captured threaded insert in the door there. Do it again on this side. Here's my threaded insert. I'm going to put it on the rib nut setter first. I'll just put it in the door. Give it a squeeze. I'm going to crank it down one more time. Give it a squeeze, and now it's set. Now I can slide the ladder back on, screw it in place, and it will be permanently fitted. There you have it, one sturdy ladder on the back of the Land Rover Discovery 2. If you want to see more videos like this, comment below and click subscribe.